Aloha! Hey, we're going to take you to an open house today, but first I thought we might tour the property a little bit. This is Kahana Sunset. It's sort of set down by itself. In fact, if you didn't know it was here, you might drive right by it. It's a low-density property. It's got this gorgeous pool that looks out at the ocean. And I really love this barbecue setup. It's a great gathering spot, easy for me to say. And you've got your own beach down here. A little bit of wind today, hope you don't mind. Let's just take in the water. And this is just a look back up at the interior of the property. Hey, why don't we go up and start the open house? Aloha, it's Lahaina Lee, and today I'm with my partner.
And Keri Nicholson.
We're getting set up for an open house here, but we wanted you to be the first to tour Kahana Sunset C5 with Keri Nicholson. So hey Keri, what do you love about this complex and this unit?
Here at Kahana Sunset, one of my favorite things is the really big swimming pool you have there. The ocean view, the two-story unit behind me with large lanais.
Wow, two of them. We'll go up and look at that one just a little bit later. So back inside, one of the things that I really like is you can park right in front of your unit in the shade. And Keri, what do you like about this unit?
I like how wide open it is. It's great for entertaining. You can sit here at your dining room table, eat inside. You've got a sleeper sofa for your extra guests. And again, this large lanai is where most people will prefer to sit outside and eat their meals.
All right, I'm kind of a cook, so one of the things I really like is a big kitchen.
Yeah, you can see here you have all the appliances you need. It's wide open again, great for entertaining. You can cook, hang out with your friends, and watch the game on the big screen.
All right, so now we're upstairs in the master. You can see this is a great room. Got a king-sized bed, and one of the best things is when you step out onto your private lanai.
So up here the view is even better. You can see down to the ocean and the waves crashing right on the beach. So here's your guest room. It sleeps 3. Your guests will have their own ensuite and an air conditioning system to keep it cool.
So if you'd like to know more about Kahana Sunset C5 or any of the other fine properties here on Maui,
you can call me, Keri Nicholson, Aloha Group Maui at 808-250-1163. Aloha.
From Kahana Sunset for Lee and Keri, aloha.